Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Many iPhone users are complaining that their apps are not showing up in the notification settings list. So keep watching this video because today I'm going to tell you how to fix this problem. Without wasting any time, let's start this short video. To fix this problem, first go to your iPhone settings, then scroll down and click on General. Now you have to come all the way down and you will see transfer or reset iPhone. Here you have to click on it. After that click on reset and then click on reset all settings. This will reset all your iPhone settings and your data such as photos, videos, documents, application will not be deleted. They will remain safe. Click reset all settings to confirm the process. Now your iPhone will turn off and on again once. Once you done this process, open the apps that are not showing. It will prompt you to allow notification. Tap allow. Now the app will appear in the notification settings. Go to settings, then go to notifications. So guys, you can see that the notification of the applications that I turned on have appeared in the notification list. And from here you can customize the notification settings. That's all. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.